If you're thinking about buying Callvu, there are a few important things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, I'm going to give you a deep dive into the 7 key aspects of Callvu, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether this software is the right fit for your business. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing an exclusive way to try it completely free. First up, Callvu is an AI-powered software solution designed to improve your customer service and sales processes by automating call interactions. But what really sets it apart from competitors like AirCall or TalkDesk is its ability to seamlessly integrate AI into the call management process. Unlike traditional systems, Callvu uses advanced AI algorithms to interpret customer conversations and provide real-time insights. This not only saves time but can actually increase efficiency when compared to manual systems. Next thing you should know is how Callvu integrates with your existing systems. One of the biggest challenges when adopting new software is ensuring it can fit into your current workflow. With Callvu, the platform offers robust integrations with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. This means you can maintain all your customer data in one place, streamline follow-up actions, and avoid data silos that many other systems can create. It's a huge time saver compared to competing solutions. The third thing to consider is Callvu's ease of use. A lot of call management software can have steep learning curves, but Callvu's interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, getting up and running won't take long. You'll appreciate the simple navigation and customizable features that ensure it fits your needs without feeling overly complicated. Something that can't always be said for competitors like RingCentral. Now let's talk about pricing. Callvu is pretty competitive in terms of cost, offering a range of plans that cater to businesses of different sizes. It can be a more budget-friendly option compared to enterprise-level solutions, especially if you're a small business looking to automate your customer interactions. But while Callvu may be cheaper than some, it doesn't cut corners when it comes to features. It's a solid, cost-effective choice for businesses that don't want to sacrifice quality. Next, there's the customer support aspect. One of the standout features of Callvu is their exceptional customer service. Whether you're having a technical issue or need help optimizing your workflow, Callvu's team is responsive and knowledgeable. This is where the software really stands out compared to its competitors. Many systems out there might leave you hanging for hours, but with Callvu, you'll get the support you need when you need it. The sixth thing you should know is the scalability of the platform. As your business grows, you want a software solution that grows with you. Callvu excels here, allowing you to easily scale up your call management systems without needing to switch platforms. Whether you're a small team now or expanding rapidly, Callvu is designed to handle your evolving needs, giving it a flexibility that's often lacking in more rigid systems from competitors. Finally, the reporting and analytics capabilities of Callvu are something you definitely don't want to overlook. This software provides in-depth insights into your call data, helping you understand trends, measure performance, and improve your customer service over time. You can track everything from call volume to agent performance, giving you a clear picture of your operation. It's a level of insight that many competitors like Freshcaller just can't match. If you're interested in trying Callvu, I've got something special for you. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available, complete with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the full power of Callvu at no risk to you. Check it out today and see how it can transform the way you manage your calls.